In this video, we are going to understand the Q2, a smallest palindrome rearrangement, right? So question is saying that let's read the question first, right? So we have given a palindromic string S. We have to return the lexicography smallest palindromic permutations of S, and string is palindromic if it reads the same forward and backward, right? Means we have to return the lexicographically smallest palindromic permutations of S. So string S is palindromic if it reads the same and forward backward, right? That we know already. Now understand permutation. A permutation is an arrangement, rearrangement of all the characters of a string. So string A is lexicographically smaller than A and B if in the first position where A and B differ, string A has a letter that appears earlier in the alphabet than the corresponding letter in B. So if the first, we will write mean A dot length, B dot length, characters do not differ, then the shorter string, the lexicographically a smaller one. Okay. So let's go step by step. So we will break the problem into clear to-dos, you can say, right? Means we are going to do a step by step, so we can break the problem into some to-do list, right? That I have done here, and then I will explain here, right? So better you pause the code here, video here, and then go through the step one by one, right? So understanding the problem is important here. Okay, so we have given a problematic problem where palindromic strings is important to understand the concept, right? Because palindrome is, we can read the string forward and backward like the same, right? Let's suppose ABC. ABC is not a palindrome, right? But if we say ABA, right, we can read from left side and right side, both side, means forward and backward, both side is same. Okay, so understanding the problem is important, right? So what we have given here, we have given a palindromic string S, and it will return the lexicographically smallest palindromic permutation, right? And it is important to understand the concept, right? So a palindromic string reads the same forward and backward. That is done, right? Now we can say we can rearrange the characters, but the result must be palindrome, right? Among all the valid palindrome permutations, we must return the smallest in lexicographic order, right? That we can do, right? Means among all the palindromic permutations, we must return the smallest in the lexicography. That we have to do, right? So the first step to let's go with the example first. So string S we have given, so this is G, this is also G. There is only one character, means it is already a lexicographic. So you can say explanation, a string A of only one character is already lexicographically a smallest palindrome. Let's go with example 2. String S we have given BABAB, right? If we will do the palindromic reverse or anything, we will get ABBBA, right? So rearranging from here to here, right, it gives the smallest lexicographic palindrome, right? That we can see. So like this we have to do. Now string S we have given DACCAD, right? And output we have given ACDDCA. Then what we have to do, we are rearranging the given input string into this, so it will give you the smallest lexicographically palindrome if you will apply this formula, right? So let's understand the first step to do. The first to do, we have to do count, we have to do the frequency of each character. So how we are going to find the frequency of each character? So let's suppose we have 26 letters in the alphabet, as we know. So all the characters that we have, 2-char array, right, we will say we will set the frequency. How we will set the frequency? We have created the frequency array, right? And from the string, right, we will update the frequency of each character in the map, in the frequency array, right? So we have count the frequency of each character and will apply here. So frequency c minus this, right, and we'll do the character minus the symbol of a, right, that we have passed, and then we will update it, right? So we will get some value there, and that we will store there, right? So what we are doing here, we are counting the frequency of each character, right? So we are using, what we will do, use an array of 26 character. So because only lowercase letters to count we will do, and how many times each character occurs, that we will store here the frequency. In the step 2, we will identify the checks, right? If the forming palindrome is possible, right? And to do that, we will check a valid palindrome allow at most one character to have an odd count, right? Means we have to identify if any character with an odd frequency, right? So we'll take odd count and the mid character, right? So we'll start from the for loop by 26 character, and then we'll check if the frequency is not divisible by this, means odd count will get increased, okay? And the mid char is like this, right? So we'll take a mid char and we'll increase this, okay? Means what is the purpose of doing this, right? So actually we are checking a valid palindrome that allows us at most one character to have an odd count, right? So we will find the odd count. Now we have to construct the smallest palindrome. Why? Because let's suppose we'll take a half of each character's count and sorted from let's suppose A to Z, and then we'll build the left half of the palindrome, okay? And if the character with the odd frequency goes in the middle, we'll mirror them the left half, and we'll form the right half, you can say, okay? And for that we'll create the builder, string builder, right, left, and then we'll create you can say loop, right, and we'll get the half, right? While the half is, we'll do once the left half of the palindrome, once it is done, then we'll keep building the left half of the palindrome, right? So once left half is ready, we'll move to the next step. Means what we are doing here, actually, see, we will take the half of each character count, right? And so that we are doing here, okay? And then we will build the left half, right? Then we will build the left half of the palindrome. So if there is a character with the odd frequency, let's suppose it goes in the middle, okay, and then we will mirror the left half of the to form the right half. That we will do, we will just reverse it in the step 4, and we'll build the right half. Now think, we'll place the middle character. If we will have the mid, we will have the mid character, right? Now construct it. Now we are concatenating each part, and you will have the smallest palindrome here. So if you will run this, so you will see this, right? So once you will submit this, you will find this. So I'm not going to submit because I'll go through again to check all the code, because in the last video I have already got the penalty of 5 submissions, okay? So I will recheck this, and you will try. Between that, you go through the frequency, right? Put some input for the quick purpose. What we will do, put some frequency value, check the frequency of the character, check the odd counts, do the half of each characters, right, each, and then check what is coming in the left, what is in the mid, what is in the right, and build the result, right? And that's all. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit subscribe the channel. I'll put this code in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.